Speaking exclusively to NNIS, SP spokesperson Gaurav Bhatia today said if Modi was seriously concerned about doing good for the people, then he should fully adopt the ancient city of Varanasi. He also said Varanasi was completely suffering in dark.
I see a lot of politics in his visit, and everyone is aware that the Prime Minister has been talking a lot. But now the people are also expecting some results, some action. And speaking for Varanasi, I think the Prime Minister, if he is so concerned about the viewers of Varanasi, there is no electricity in parts of Varanasi because the central government has not been giving state of UP its quota of allocation of power, and I think it is high time that the central government starts allocating the power to the state of UP under the Gadgil formula. Secondly, the central government needs to also ensure, as demanded by the Chief Minister of the state, that adequate coal is supplied to the state of UP. In Varanasi, especially if he is going and promising after 6 months, people are also asking that the Prime Minister of the country is talking about adopting a village. The Prime Minister has to talk about the entire nation and especially about the state of UP that has sent him to the parliament and has ensured that he becomes the PM. It is not only about the state. At least the city of Varanasi should be completely adopted by him, and there should be a special grant by the central government. I would say that yesterday's meeting is a very important event. It brings together all tall leaders of the country who have the ideology of socialism and secularism. That is the fabric that ties all the leaders. And for this BJP government, which is scared of a formidable opposition, which does not want any opposition, and therefore we see that there is no Lokpal in the country today, there is no chief vigilance officer, there is no CIC, there is no leader of opposition, because they are averse to the idea of opposition. And I would like to remind them that in healthy democracy, opposition's role is as important as the role of the government.
Powered by NNIS.